Here is our Edewarie. Guys, what do you call Edewarie in English? Let me show you guys. What do you call it in English? Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your baby girl Glory. Guys, in today's video we are going to be unboxing what I brought from Nigeria. So join me, let's unbox them together. Okay? Let's start with this one. It's so heavy. So let's start with this side. Let's see what is inside. Okay. Are you guys seeing this? I'm not feeling strong at all. I'm having fever. Nigeria is not easy, no. Okay. Jesus. Crazy. Thank God anyway. Thank God for Johnny Mercy.
Better not text or I'll come off desperate. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
Okay. Here we have soya beans. Soya beans from Nigeria. But Samuel love it so much. When he tried it in Nigeria, he loved it. I decided to buy 2 rubber of this. Okay. Oh my God. Of all the packaging, I still got box. Oh, please see guys. Got box from the top. Let's put this aside. Guys, let's see what is in here. Let's open it, okay?
Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free.
Mo gbé kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀? Kí ló dé? You're happy, eh? Happy, yeah. Okay, guys, I know what is inside here. This is snail. Fried snail. Let me open it. If I tell you guys how much snail is this, you will not believe it. Yes, you will not believe it. It's snail, guys.
You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever want to give me wings. You don't ever want to set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head.
Okay, guys, this this how it look.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
Okay, guys, let's see what is in here. I think this is crayfish. I think this is crayfish. This is crayfish. Ungrounded crayfish. So, let's move into the next one. Oh,
You understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue. I feel like when I'm with you, I'm losing. I feel like you think that this is amusing.
Okay, guys. This is butter. Not really not bad. And that is bad. This is Nigerian butter for the love rice. So I got 6. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, I got 6 Nigerian butter. Okay. I'll take them to the fridge right now. So let me be through with this bag. And what is this? What is this? Let's see. Let's see what is this. Hey, you gotta go boss something. What is this? I know it's not even working. Okay, I've bought it on her, but I don't know what is it yet. Okay, now this is banga spices and pepper soup spices. I just bought it. This is for banga thickener.
Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Pepper soup.
I got issues in my
Yes, for banga spices also. And this is the pepper soup spices. Very, very nice. Oh, nice then. Here we have our oil. Let me open it gently. Fine. I bust it again.
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like
Okay, guys.
I'm losing. I feel like
This is our Okomu oil. Okomu oil. So I got 2 of these.
I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I know follow
Let's move into the babao. Baba la baba. I just try to for this. Oh, Jesus.
You don't understand the pain of pain. You don't ever wanna give me win. You don't ever wanna set me free.
Guys, can you imagine? It just was.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want.
So guys, here we have our egusi, ungrounded egusi. Here.
You don't ever wanna give me win.
So let's leave it here.
And it's just that you can get me with the evil you do. Got me coming back from home even when I've been screwed. Pierce my heart straight through.
Here is our leaf. Here is our bitter leaf. Okay. Let me look for something to cover this also. Let me put it here. Let's see this.
Heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing. Sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Hey, is it me, am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry for the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the
So guys,
I wish you loved me like
yes, our body love.
when I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid.
I just pray none of this body will God's boss. Just pray. Oh, sorry.
By my palm, treat me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Seen it
Wait. Because it was not correct, yes. Okay.
Never really noticed what
Yeah,
you were.
that's what we see here.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string.
Here is our bitter cola. Bitter cola. Still looking so fresh.
Got me coming back for more.
Bitter cola.
I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you
Let's
keep
see
me
what is here.
Everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead,
Okay.
maybe you'll get sick of being the monster
Here is
under my bed.
Uloka. Here is our Uloka. Here is our Uloka. Oh, let me try to open it and show you guys.
So if I play dead, will you regret
See the fresh press.
that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing. And my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you,
Uloka. You guys,
like you think that this
we
amusing.
try it.
Sitting there gas
Bless this for the Jesus name.
was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid.
Oh, Sha.
You will never feel lucid. I wish
That's
I wasn't
nice.
struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you, I knew
It's really nice.
I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel
Let's put it aside.
my heart's been wounded. So let's do it like
Thank God this custard is not boss. Here is our custard. 3-in-1 custard.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain.
Okay, guys.
You don't ever wanna give me
This is
away.
our 3-in-1
You
custard.
don't ever wanna set me free.
So what is in here? Let's take a look. Now pepper, I just want. This pepper, the pepper that we bought is so hot. It's hot and the hottest. So let's see. Just have to open it gently. This is this pepper. So just leave it gently. Let's look what is in here. Somebody put up my laptop. Then go. Let me put it here. Okay, pepper, pepper.
You don't ever wanna give me away. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you. And it's twisted, you can get me with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been through. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through.
Let's see. Let's open it and see that.
I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh,
So here is our blended crayfish.
I better not text.
Here is our blended crayfish. Let us see it. In here is our blended crayfish. Definitely the other one is going to be pepper. So let's be careful. Let's be careful. As I'm sick, or I'm not feeling strong at all. Maybe I need to see the stress in my face. Not easy. Not easy, no, it's okay. Only me, one, and myself alone. So definitely, here is pepper. Don't know. I don't want to get close. Yes. Guys, here is pepper. Dry pepper, please. I don't want to get close. So, here guys, our pumpkin leaf. The other one is our bitter leaf. So here is our pumpkin leaf. Here is our ogbolo. Ungrounded ogbolo. Let me show you guys. It's so obvious. This is ogbolo I buy because we don't eat ogbolo that much. I prefer okra and my kids prefer okra soup than ogbolo soup. So I'll just mix it. A little bit of ogbolo and okra. And we have like this size of ogbolo in the house also, so I don't need much ogbolo. Oh, my bumbo. That's more time. Okay guys, here's our garlic. Here is our garlic. Okay, let's keep this back to the bag. Okay. That's it for this bag. Let's move into the next bag. This is the third bag. Here we have our leaf. Here we have our paper leaf. So this paper leaf is going straight to the freezer or straight to the fridge, so that it will not get dry. So it's just paper leaf. All these bags is paper leaf, so there's no point in bringing it out. Okay. This is our egg cocker. This egg cocker is 2. These are really, really expensive in Nigeria. Just imagine. I don't go outside person. Let me buy Coca-Cola. I go buy this one. Tell me 2,000 naira. Like that. You shop my money. I'll tell you, say, you shop my money. You see? So this is 2. So maybe the other one will be around. Let's keep this one first. 2,000 naira Coca. God have mercy upon Nigeria. Let's keep it here. Guys, this bag I want to open, you guys will laugh. If I tell you what is in here, you will laugh. Just see it with your eyes. I go Nigeria, I go bring Nigeria. I go pack Nigeria. Guys. Hey Jesus, here's banga. Here's our banga. This one, I'll just wash it, then boil it. If not, then boil it. When you boil it like that, when you want to cook, you take out of it and cook. Guys, let me go out. So I go out. This is coconut. Hey, go out. This is coconut, guys. Let's coconut. That's in the dark, we're not in Europe. Or you go back Wednesday. Then 1 or 2, let me go inside. Wasting of money. This is 100% guaranteed. No one will spoil. It's 100% guaranteed. When you kick coconut, you're losing that coconut and you kick. Get it? Don't get it, forget about it. Okay? Guys, no one break over. All the coconuts, no one break.
Silhouettes of you are like a time. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm.
This is. So that is 6 coconuts. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we have in another one in here, so 7.
You don't ever want to set me free.
That is 7 coconuts. There are 7 all together. So guys, here is plantain. Yes, so I carry plantain come. Cocoa. Cocoa. So that one. Cocoa.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you, I don't ever feel calm.
This is plantain elbow.
You don't ever want to.
Guys, I'm going to have that for 4 bags.
Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, here's my heart straight through. Got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on bed. Oh,
I'm just looking for the oil now. This is my baby clothes I saw from Nigeria. And this is my back clothes also. This is the clothes we bought from Nigeria. This one's also. This is the clothes I bought from my street in Nigeria. Guys, let me look for the oil first. Because I'm not seeing anything like oil yet. And I'm scared. Have it. So I think I'll bought when this back also. I'm not on there. Let's open it one. So guys, this is our fish. This is how it look. This is how it look.
I wish when I first saw you, I knew this. When I'm with you, I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like.
Okay? I love this fish so much. This is big fish. Guys, look. This one don't have too much eggs because it's called 1 liter. You don't have too much eggs. So in here is our ingredients. Ingredients for meat, low fry. Okay, this is our Hausa granules. Fresh Hausa granules. I bought the dry one also. This is our fresh Hausa granules. This one is going direct to the fridge. Our fresh Hausa granules.
inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string.
Here is our
You don't understand the pain of
ebe warrior.
You don't ever wanna give me
Ebe warrior. Ebe warrior or ebe warrior. Ebe warrior. Guys, what do you call ebe warrior in English? Let me show you guys. What do you call it in English?
I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay
Ebe warrior.
baby, you'll get
What do you guys call it in English? I might like to call it blackfish also. Can I call it blackfish? Or it's black? What do you guys call it in English? Leave it in the comment down below. I will not call it blackfish again. You know what it's called in English? Leave it in the comment down below. Okay? Aside. Waiting the waiting the salt. Okay, this is beat. This is beat for hair. So we're making our Manda unique hair with different beautiful beads. You see? Double bust.
I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a
This is soya base again. I hope this one is not bust. Thank God. This one is not bust. It bust on.
I can feel the sweat inside my palm.
Just tired. You're a true person to help on that. Say, you know, volatile this side, you only true like idiot.
You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my
Here is one for boss here.
think you're something.
This is soya base. I told her by yours back. May reach my bros eat before I finish. We love this food so much. I decided to buy it. Even adults can take it too. Adults can take it also.
With you, I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't
Yes, here is our sherry.
ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever
This sherry here, oh my god.
addicted to you.
Oh, see the dot for my sherry. Oh, see guys.
Coming back from all, even
Sherry don't press.
walls full of pain. Pierce my heart straight through.
Anyway, we'll see chocolate. This sherry is so sweet.
Like you in my bed.
Sherry makes sense. Let me look for something to put this.
Everything is like a test. I
That's
better
very
not
boss.
text or I'll come off desk.
That will put on that. Let me leave it here. Here is the pay warrior again. Not that pay warrior.
Think you're something out of my But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything
Thank God.
that you said? I don't think
Wow, come on. I think this is the best way in Nigeria. I don't know. I'm so missing this one now. Omu oil is best. So guys, that is it for this bag. So guys, this is our unload fish. It's closed inside and there is Omiwawa inside. What do they call Omiwawa in English? Native pot. I just pray it did not get broken. Let me not break. That's what most I use it for the I bought 3 of it.
You don't understand the pain of brain.
Here's the second
You
one.
don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
No one break. Oh, the third one. No, I've already this one. So guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you love this video. If you do, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share our video, subscribe if you have not, and God bless you. Leave your beautiful comment down below. Encourage us, show us how much you love us. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will see you guys in our next video. Bye bye. Mwah.